How to find Instagram group chat. For this, first and foremost, open up your Instagram application and make sure that it is up to date. Once you are in here, make sure to log in, then tap on your DM section. In the search bar, search for the group name you are searching for. And just like that, you'll be able to find your group. However, if you want to join some public group, tap on the search bar and in there you should find channels you can join in. So from here, you can just go ahead and join in the channels that are being prepared by the public figures itself or by some official pages as well. So you can just go ahead and select any of this group chat to join in by simply tapping on the join bubble at the bottom. However, the admin will control who can react or send any messages to this channel as well. If you do not have this feature, exit from here and press and hold the application. Force stop it, then head to storage and cache, then clear the cache. Once you do this, you can head back from here and open up your Instagram to try again. If your group has been inactive for a while, chances of it being disabled or deleted by Instagram is more. So for that, you have to create a new one. Tap on the DM section and tap on the pencil icon at the very top. Then tap on create group chat option right here. Simply select the user from your followers list. Then right here, go ahead and send a message, and simply like that, your group chat has been formed. And that's pretty much it for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.